Hello, welcome back to Murfin Motor Company. I've got this lovely Mini to show you today. This one is a 67 plate Mini Clubman. It's a Cooper S, all-4 manual car, and it is lovely. A really special car with a massive list of extras on the car from new. Before we start walking around the car, I've had to write them down because I can't remember them all, so I'm going to just read out what the car has as options. So obviously, right, so it's got the sports leather steering wheel, the 18-inch wheels, comfort access, rear spoiler, roof and mirror caps in black, sun protection glazing, armrest, sports seats, heated front seats, piano black, park distance control, climate control, cruise with braking function, LED headlights, DAB, chili pack, tele services, visual booth, Bluetooth and navigation. So somebody ticked all the boxes when it was new, added a massive list of options, so it's the one to have. If you want a nice spec one, this is it. It's lovely. Could be some others on there that I've missed. Please do look at the main advert, that will have the full specification on it, but I just wanted to get them into the video. So let's have a look round. So finished in Moonwalk Grey, which I think looks amazing. You've got these lovely black wheel arches and wheels with it, and black, you know, the roof and what have you. Alloys are all good all the way around. We've got good tyres all the way around. It's just worth noting the discs are not rusty. We've just had the car valeted, and when they get water on them and they get the soap and stuff on them, they go rusty instantaneously. As soon as you drive it down the road, that will clear, but unfortunately the roads are so muddy at the minute. If I drive that down the road now, we'll have to clean it again, so that's why they're like that. Down the side of the car, as you can see, it's in really lovely, clean, straight order. It's been very well looked after. We've got privacy glass look from the B pillar backwards, and it just looks amazing. We've got another nice alloy there, look, and we'll get down, decent tyre on the back. So if you look down the side, there aren't any little dings or dents or ripples or anything. It's in really nice condition. So as you come around the back of the car, you can see we've got the parking sensors there, look, so they're into the back there. So just have a little look inside. Obviously these come like so, much more space than a regular Mini. Again, in here we can see the plastics are in nice condition. This is nice, it's not had a load of stuff shoved in it. It's got the parcel shelf, and you can split the seats 60-40 to make a bit more room if required. I really like those doors. It feels like you're shutting a van or something. It's silly, isn't it? But there's something about it that's nice. Again, absolutely straight down this side. You've got another decent tyre there, look, and another good clean alloy. And again, as per the discs, they were actually replaced, I think, on the last service. We'll come to that shortly. So let's have a look inside. We have this piano black interior, like I mentioned. We've got the leather and Alcantara on the outserts here, look, and the leather inside. Isofix across there, obviously. Just getting inside here, we've got the center console. It's got the blue, can you see the blue light coming from there? Look, that's throughout. Just little details, but that's what Mini does very well. You can personalise the car very much to what you want it to be, and I think that's what makes them so much fun, really. Again, piano black, little Cooper S kick plates, all in nice condition. Leather's nice and tidy, it's not worn in anywhere. So let's have a little look inside. So, okay, so moving inside, we'll do the history in a moment. I'll come back to that in a second. We've got climate control, start stop here, lovely, it's like a fighter jet or something. I really like that as well. It's a silly little thing, but I like it. Heated front seats, all your aircon and stuff all over here, climate only. 6-speed. You've got the sport to eco settings. We've got full menu settings on here, like most BMWs and Minis, so you can go through all the vehicle details, your DAB radio, your navigation as well, and all that kind of stuff. Moving over here, we've got the steering wheel with cruise on it and multi-function, so all your radio and everything all from there. All 4 electric windows, you've got electric mirrors, locking on the door. Moving over to here, so the first few services were done at Mini on the Mini system, and we've got bills and receipts thereafter. So we've got 14,000 miles, 23,000 miles, 35 and 40. And that green OK just means that they were all done on time, and as they should have been. They've not been missed or done late, which is nice to see. And then if I get my out here, just 1 second. So these are, they're back to front, aren't they? So, okay, so the first one, I think, after that one is service here at 47 in September of 21. We've then got one, we've got a major service there at 64,000 miles in November 22. We've then got a service at 75,000 miles in 23, and I think the last one was done at 84,693, and that was done in October of last year. So rear brake pads and rear brake discs as well. So we're going to go through the car before the car leaves us, obviously. We will do an MOT. We will also give a thorough check to the car, obviously, make sure everything's okay. Last tyre and alloy, and again, just coming around the front, you can see it's not all stone chipped and what have you. It's just in really nice, clean, tidy order. I love these, they're fantastic. The Cooper S's are just great fun to drive. They've got plenty of poke, they're fun little cars. And one of these, you've got a bit more room in them, so you can put your kids or your dog in it or whatever you want to do as well. So lovely little thing, absolutely brilliant specification, great history and good value for money. So give us a call. As ever, if you want to know some more, it's on our website. That's murfinmotorcompany.co.uk. There you'll find all of our contact information. You can search us on Google. We've got great Google reviews. We're nice people to do business with. Give us a bell, come and have a look. It's a brilliant little car. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.